In a world driven by innovation, where artificial intelligence is shaping the future, one academy stands at the forefront of technological advancement. Welcome to Manifold AI Learning, where we are proud to present the LLMOps Masterclass. Join us on a transformative journey into the heart of AI operation as we delve deep into the MLOps, generative AI, data science, and artificial intelligence. From understanding the fundamentals to mastering the advanced techniques, our comprehensive curriculum will empower you to excel in the dynamic world of AI. So these are some of the testimonials that we have got from our previous learners of this batch. The LLMOps Masterclass completely revolutionized the way I approach the AI project. I feel confident tackling real-world challenges and driving the innovation in my field. Another learner says that the hands-on projects were incredibly engaging and gave me the practical experience that I can apply in my career. I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn from the industry experts. So guys, don't miss your chance to be part of this AI revolution. Enroll in the LLMOps Masterclass today and unlock your potential with Manifold AI Learning.